Hello everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Okay, every once in a while the TreasurePro act up, start getting chatty. All you need to do is ground balance. Okay? All you have to do is hit the track button until it says tracking, pump. 6 to 12 times, the beeping will go away. And now you can go detecting. You are now ground balanced, and that will take care of the chatter. And now you can go metal detecting on the beach. Hope this helped out. Good luck and happy hunting. A 24 nickel. Let's get it. 3 inches right here. 2.5 inches right here. Alright, shake, shake, shake. I like 24. That's a nickel. 25. Full tab. Watch me be wrong now. There it is. 1 nickel into the pouch. About a foot away from that nickel, have another nickel. 24. Right there. Miss it. Sure did. All right. Shake, shake, shake. There you go. Into the pouch, 1 nickel. Have a miscellaneous signal. Where'd it go? There you are. 47 to 50. I like that. Let's get it. 3 inches that way. 3 inches this way. Oh man, is that what it is? Can slow? Bummer. Into the pouch. I have a solid 20 nickel signal. Let's get it. 20. I don't think I've ever seen that one. Just under the surface. Shake, shake, shake. Sunglass piece, earpiece, into the pouch. I have a foil signal, 04. It says gold, but we all know it's gonna be foil. Let's get it. About 3 inches here. Shake, shake, shake. Yep. 04. Whoops. Chewing gum foil. Actually has regular foil. Off of somebody's lunch. Into the pouch. A 73, 74 dime. Let's get it. Five inches here. 4.5 here. Could be a dime, it could be a penny. Saying it's a dime. Shake, shake, shake. One red dime into the pouch. I have a penny signal. 58. Let's get it. About 1.5 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. The wind's picking up. There's our penny. Into the pouch. If you look over that way, you can see the storm coming. We have a dime signal. 72.73. Let's get it. 2 inches this way. 2 inches this way. Center of the coil. Shake, shake, shake. One dime into the pouch. A quarter signal. Solid 82. Let's get it. Two inches this way. 2 inches this way. Shake, shake, shake. One quarter into the pouch. I have a foil signal. 15 to 16. Let's get it. Two inches. Shake, shake, shake. Can slaw. Into the pouch. It's a good sharp one. Yes, it sounded just like a nickel. I have a miscellaneous signal. Where'd it go? There we are. Let's get it. It's a little on the jumpy side. 2 inches that way. Should be right here. Oh. Like some copper. Into the pouch. Pretty sharp, jagged. I have a nickel signal. 27.28. Sounds like it'll be a tab or something. Pull tab, definitely. Four and a half. 3.5. Right here. Slow. Yep, into the pouch. 83 quarter signal. Let's get it. Has a weird wobble to it. 2.5 inches. Shake, shake, shake. I don't see it yet. Into the pouch. I have a nickel signal. 21 to 24. Let's get it. Four inches. Four inches. Slaw. Is it? I think it is. It's a big old piece of can slaw too. Into the pouch. It's a sharp one. I have a 25 nickel signal. Let's get it. The pull tab. Looks like it is. They always sound so good. Alright, I have a... Come on, where'd you go? I have a miscellaneous tab signal. Miscellaneous to $50. Let's get it. 4 inches this way, 4 this way, right in the middle of the coil. Bottle cap. Should have known. Oh, it's the first one I've found in a while. This one's solid, so it's packed. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a miscellaneous. Where'd you go? Come on. Solid 44. Let's get it. One inch. That'll explain it. Oh, look how sharp that thing is. Into the pouch. This piece. Alright, the most common question I get asked is, what is this bungee cord attached to? How am I keeping it attached to me? Well, you'll see I'll just attach it to the TreasurePro. And on the other side, let me take this off so I can show you, is my camelback. Bungee cord is attached to a loop on the shoulder strap. Now my camelback is full of water, full of ice, and then I top it off with water. So now I have ice water all day. Plus it keeps my back cool in the hot sun. And that is how I keep the TreasurePro attached with the bungee. Good luck, happy hunting.
Hello everyone, welcome to the wrap-up. As you can see, I had another great day at the beach. I found a couple quarters, some nickels, a couple dimes, and some pennies. I did find a bunch of pull tabs, about 12 of them. I found a terminal lug, a couple pieces of iron, and as always, I spot a couple shark teeth. Most of these are sand tiger. I got one lemon tooth and a couple real tiny shark teeth. But if you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.